Trying to find how to use the Link light rail system in Seattle, Washington? Then you've come to the right video here on Travel Tricks. Before we get started, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel as I try to make your next vacation the best one. The Link light rail is the best inexpensive way to explore Seattle. They have a station from the Sea Tac International Airport, which will allow you to create your own adventure from here. The Link Light is close to a number of hotels and places to visit, such as the famous Pike Public Market, the Seattle Waterfront, which has a total of 9 historic piers to explore, and Pioneer Square in historic downtown Seattle. You can check out Seattle's own original neighborhood. I'll be posting a video soon with more details what you can see in Seattle while using public transportation in a new video. If you wanted to visit the Space Needle and check out the various places at the Seattle Center, you'll need to take the monorail, and I'll add a video link to see this at the end of this video. To get on the Link light rail, you'll need to get an Orca card. The Orca card is what you'll use to get aboard Seattle public transportation, may it be the Sound Transit to the Seattle monorail. When you approach an Orca ticket station, you'll have two choices. You have the choice to buy a new Orca card or load your existing Orca card. In this video, we learn how to buy a new Orca card. It will say on screen, new Orca fare cards cost $3. So what money you put on the card, $3 will be added to the total. You can add money or you can add a monthly pass. In this video for travelers to Seattle, your best savings is to add money. So click the button, Add Money. The next screen will offer different prices to add to your Orca card, from $5 to $100, or you can click Other to choose a different cash amount. I'll press $5. On the next screen, you can buy one card or add more by pressing the button Plus Card, or add a pass by pressing Plus Pass. Your payment for the Orca card is $3. And you're going to put $5 on the card. On screen, it's called your e-purse. On the right, your payment is a total of $8. If you're satisfied with your purchase, you click the blue button with the word Pay. On this screen, you have the choice to pay by cash or card. If you're paying by cash, you can insert bills and coins now. I'll put in $20. And with $5 intact, your own Orca card. From here, you tap the card on the tap screen to begin your trip. You wait on the platform. Once your train arrives, you hop on, take a seat, and wait for your stop. Once you arrive, you leave the platform and tap your Orca card to complete your journey. And enjoy your time in beautiful Seattle. If you want to go to the Space Needle, you will need to go on the monorail. I'll show you how in this video. Or check out my other videos to help with your adventures. And keep on the lookout for my video on Seattle. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe to my channel, Travel Tricks, as I'm always trying to provide tricks to make your next vacation the best one. Thank you.